Guys, I'm making this video for those blithering idiots, mostly Tata fanboys, who think that their Tata Nexon or other two-wheel drive vehicles can do what the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon can off the road. Okay, and I hope that once they watch this video, if they have any shame, they can they will just go and hang themselves, or at least have the courtesy to come back here and apologize. So they had put those comments, my Nexon can do it. Even there were other people as well. For example, someone said my Duster can do it. And but then Tata fanboys are the worst. So among those comments, I would say that over 80% were from Tata fanboys. So you will see. Okay, so I'll put the Wrangler clip first and then the clips of other cars. And like I said, I hope that after this video, people who do not come with that badge on their forehead that says no Intel inside, okay, would at least be compelled to introspect. And I'm hoping that they would stop considering themselves as experts and stop considering their two-wheel drive hatchbacks on stilts as SUVs. So anyway, please go ahead and watch the rest of the video.
आगे जाना पड़ेगा, स्टीयरिंग कंट्रोल नहीं होगा।
हो जाएगा भाई, हो जाएगा। The point is, if you buy a Rubicon and you do not go off-road, it will go by itself. All right, Ankit, this is a 1.5 petrol, of course, and manual, right?
Yeah.
So as discussed, what you will be doing, you will be selecting first gear. Okay, you will be leaving the clutch completely.
Okay.
And you will be removing your foot off the throttle. Okay, this will crawl up to a level. Okay, and that's what we have to see. And then it would stall. It would stall. Do not worry, just leave the car like that. Okay, and then we'll do the rest of the talking. Cool. Chabi, the better half has the chabi. So that's first gear, yes, and foot off the throttle completely. See, okay. Clutch totally off. That's it. Perfect. Ankit, yeah, that was the demonstration. So that is where the car stalled.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, and you had, of course, the foot off the throttle and the clutch was completely out, right?
Yeah.
Perfect, Ankit. Thank you so much. I'll be doing it with other two-wheel drive cars as well. Yours is the first one.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Anu. Now the Zest Petrol. Remove your foot off the throttle completely. First gear, release the clutch, but then the clutch, of course you'll have to release the clutch slowly, but take off your foot off the clutch as well. It will stall. That is what we have to see. Where does it stall? Clutch completely out. That's it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So now the Renault Kwid. All right, Shanil bhai, only the clutch. Okay. Before hitting that incline, the clutch should be completely out.
Okay.
Do not hesitate. All right, please go. Yeah, leave the clutch. Leave the clutch. That's it. Thank you. The Renault Duster diesel 2017 model, of course manual. So Shanil bhai, as discussed, foot completely off the throttle, first gear, leave the clutch completely, and we'll see how far it goes. Let the vehicle stall if it stalls. Go. Don't throttle. That's it. Thank you. Now the Scorpio N diesel manual. All right, 2024 model, and first gear, no throttle, clutch completely out the moment we hit the incline. By the time we hit the incline, the clutch should be totally out. Bhai, go. भाई चढ़ा नहीं रहे हैं, स्टॉल हो रही है।